Keeping your Midea portable air conditioner filter clean is one of the easiest ways to protect performance, lower energy bills, and maintain healthy indoor air. When the filter becomes clogged with dust and debris, airflow is restricted. That forces the unit to work harder, increases power consumption, and can shorten the lifespan of internal components. For most homes, cleaning the filter every 1 to 2 months is ideal. If you have pets, allergies, or run the unit daily, you may need to clean it more frequently. Before starting any maintenance, always turn the unit off and unplug it from the wall outlet to avoid electrical risk. The filter is usually located behind a rear or side access panel. Carefully remove the cover and slide the filter out, noting how it sits so you can reinstall it correctly. Most Midea portable AC units use washable mesh or synthetic filters. If yours is washable, rinse it gently with water to remove loose dust. For heavier buildup, use mild soap and a soft brush, then rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear. Let the filter air dry completely in a shaded area. Never reinstall a damp filter, as trapped moisture can lead to mold and odors. If your unit uses a disposable filter, replace it instead of washing it. While the filter is drying, wipe down the grill and vents with a soft brush or cloth to remove surface dust. Once fully dry, slide the filter back into place and secure the cover.